In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Dmarc record for Klaviyo in a few simple steps. Ensuring that your emails are secure and properly authenticated is essential to maintaining your brand's reputation and improving deliverability, and setting up Dmarc is a critical part of that process. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Klaviyo and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll start configuring your account settings. Next, navigate to the settings menu, then select account, and finally click on domains. Under the domains section, you'll see the option to connect domain. Click on that to begin the process of connecting your domain to Klaviyo. Once prompted, enter your own domain name, make sure it's accurate to avoid any issues later on. After entering your domain, click continue to move to the next step. At this stage, Klaviyo will automatically generate DNS records for your domain, including SPF, DKIM, and most importantly Dmarc records. These records are vital for ensuring your emails are verified by the receiving email servers, reducing the chances of them being marked as spam. Take a moment to carefully copy the values for each of these records, as we'll need them for the next part. Now we'll switch over to GoDaddy, head to their website and sign in to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to My Products, then find your domain under Domain, and finally click on DNS to enter the DNS management page. This is where we will input the Dmarc record. To create a Dmarc record, add a new record by selecting the Add button. For the record type, choose TXT. The name for this record should be idmarc.yourdomain.com. For the TTL value, you can set it to 3600 or simply leave it at its default setting. Next, paste the Dmarc policy that you copied earlier from Klaviyo into the value or content field for this record. With that completed, let's head back over to your Klaviyo account. Once there, find and click on Verify to check if your DNS records have been entered and configured correctly. It's crucial to ensure that everything is set up properly to allow sufficient time for verification. Do keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so don't worry if the verification isn't instant. There you have it, your Dmarc record is now set up for Klaviyo. This setup not only protects your brand's email reputation, but also helps in improving your delivery rates by allowing receiver servers to authenticate your emails. Thanks for following along, and make sure you're always updated with best practices for email sender security. Happy emailing!